Hello Leo, this is your channel messages for the 6th of April. Leo, let us see what is in your messages today. Ok, so someone's francophone. Ouh, tu parles français? Oh, bonjour, ça va? Oui, oui. Je suis ici, j'ai juste préparé mon petit déjeuner ce matin. Après, j'ai lu le tarot. Et après ça, j'ai juste resté dans ma lit. I'm getting your francophone. Your francophone. That sounds like Quebec. Let's go, Leo. We have the Two of Wands. So you're going back or you're going to? I'm getting you traveling to a French country. They're not yet, Leo, this you. I'm getting you going to a French country. You're traveling to or from. I'm getting someone's francophone. So did you leave? I'm getting you left the country, you're coming back. Or I'm getting you're here, you're leaving. Not sure why your tongue is coming up in this. We have a 6 of Pentacles. We have 66. Yes, something about French. I'm getting something about francophone. 6. Did somebody sell it to a Frenchman? I'm getting somebody sell it to a Frenchman. Somebody sell it to an overseas Frenchman. Yeah. Me getting you might notice you were with this man. Or Leo, this is you. You promised somebody a new beginning. Apparently, they did not know that a contract resided over them head. I mean, I understand how now ask people, you want her for sale? You want how you get what you mean? Hey, you want Vanessa is for sale. Who did create who created the invoice? Cause all you for tell me say me is for sale. All you for tell me say one man buy me and me never get the money. Who get the money? My mother, my father, my brother. That not make sense. How you gonna assure say the girl gonna stay? When you pay the money to the father or the brother or the sister, and you want the girl in an argument and the girl want to walk off, what happened? No refunds like Dollarama? Why would you buy a woman but you gave the money to somebody else? How you gonna assure say the woman gonna stay with you? That don't make sense to me. You wanna tell me you don't say me own you. You don't say me did buy you. Okay, sir, but money never going in my bank account. So who you buy me from? And the fact that you're saying that you're buying me don't make sense because who did own me for buying me? Because if there's anything I know about OnlyFans, them put up themselves on OnlyFans and them get the money. How you gonna tell me say you buy me from somebody else? Who is my father, my mother, my sister, my brother, my ex-boyfriend you buy me from? Sir, how you forgive them the money? That makes sense? I'm not a tomato. I'm a fucking sweet potato. Yes, so I'm getting something. Yes, did somebody sell you? I'm getting an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius man did sell it to a French man. Something about the French them. Some French sell you them own, so-called them claim them own you them, but there's no money in my bank account. They're gonna talk about you. Yeah, you want her for sale? Okay, who I get the money? So me can just take a picture of one random guy and put it up online and then sell him? That's what you're telling me. You're telling me the next man will invite over here, I'm gonna take pictures of him when him back turn and put him up online and sell him and me get the money? That don't make sense. So if you're gonna do criminal activity, do it in the rationalization of black people. Two of Wands is a devil. Them sell it to fucking. They sold it to an international man. Did they sell it to a Capricorn? Because the man what them sell it to, me getting all hell break loose with him. Yeah, you don't want to stay with him. You're wondering why is he treating you like him own you, right? Because you were sold. Where is your receipt? Where the receipt there? Who sell you? Who are the seller? Because this don't make sense. You cannot just buy it. What? You know I own you now. He's so how you wanna tell me say him sell me to you? I mean I get the money. Where is your 90-day return? Where your receipt there? Where is the promise that the girl not gonna leave you? You give somebody else the money. I don't understand how them logic is. That logic. You know it was too offensive to go to her and say, hey, can you sell me you for life for this money so I'll go to another nigga? girl who had pictures of her, who used to stalk her every day and collect all them pictures in a fucking Microsoft folder. And you transfer the money over. The devil, were you sold to the devil? Was it Amoth? Is it Amoth? Maybe you were sold to Amoth. The Knight of Wands is the Knight of Wands. Were you sold to twins? Were you sold to brothers? Were brothers supposed to share you? Knight of Wands, Knight of Wands. I'm getting something about twins. Twins? I'm getting twins. I'm getting francophone twins. Me hear francophone. That's French. Le Jemie. Six of Pentacles is the Three of Wands. The Six of Cups is a Five of Wands. We have Knight of Wands 2 times. We have Five of Wands 2 times. The brothers are fighting. Who's fighting? I'm getting somebody to argue for say who get the person. We're getting something about twin brothers. One more. The 9 of, yeah. We're getting something about twin brothers. It's 255. 20, yeah, the brothers are fight. Something about some twins. Some twins were set up on dark web. Some twins were, them are auction off certain type of, that don't make no sense to me. You cannot tell me that, sir. I refuse to bid. I don't care who. You could have used Bitcoin. I could have XQC. I want to the receipt. And how are you going to tell me you buy me from somebody? You buy me for why? For who? For what price? I did not get any money in my TD bank account. So how are you going to say you own? Own? The only own I know is Oprah Winfrey Network. That's the only own I know. Talking about own. Why was the money not deposited? How are you going to ensure the girl going to steal? So you tell me I can just take pictures and upload myself. And if a man, a random man with no experience, just put up my pictures on Carrot and say for sale, then I'm owned by somebody. And you can't even do illegal business properly. Tomato. Potato. Evil. And you have to just jump in line. Because now somebody take your pictures, what them a stalk you with and a sell you to other people. And I say these people own you. Sir, the only own I know is Oprah Winfrey Network. The only own I know is children's own. It was a newspaper. You know, in Jamaica, we had a newspaper for kids. In school, it named Children's Own. It was a big newspaper, but it was just for kids. It's all the business that's happening in primary schools around Jamaica. And the kids them would buy them newspaper and read. When Children's Own come in and you see the latest edition and you would see kids from either your school or prep school, you buy it. And every single thing that was happening in the children's, in school world was in the newspaper. Children and teachers. We have Aquarius. We have Capricorn. Yeah, Capricorn is them sell it to a Capricorn. The Capricorn are evil as fuck. I'm not sure if it's brothers, it's twins. We're getting one twin evil, one twin. Yeah, right? Yeah, it's a Capricorn or something. Somebody sell it to a Capricorn buy you. As long as them treat you nice and give you money, I don't say anything bad about it. Curse, never mind. This is not good. Yeah, so I'm getting something, but that's the curse. You're supposed to be with a Capricorn. Pretty much, you're there with a girl, you romance her, you find her, you take her out. Maybe things don't work out and she don't call you back. So you say in order for you to always get a call back, you gotta buy her. Why you never give her the money? Should I stay with you? You see how people fool? Why you send the money to somebody else? Why scam out your clothes? How you going to assure the girl that gonna stay with you? Because you own her. Alright, okay. Internet hackers telling me my own address. Get the fuck out of here. Internet hackers telling me my motherfucking password and my social security number. Get the fuck out of here. I know that too. Intimidation. That's not intimidation. Should have been the intimidation you put in my bank account. For why was this behavior done under and not over the guidance of Allah? One more. crazy. It's crazy. Human and sex trafficking. They bought you. It's a Capricorn. It's a curse. That's why all your business leak. Because somebody claimed they own your information. But you still ain't own a motherfucking credit card. Buy me and putting me in terrible conditions. This is crazy. You never even have somewhere for me to be. You're going to buy me. Did you have a bed prepared? Was there like things prepared for this person that y'all bought? No. Have me staying here in weird conditions, Capricorn? So apparently money did not work, so you're using power and intimidation. Why was the money not deposited in the client's account? No. You listen to a weird man online telling you, yes, you buy now. And you say yes. The devil. Get your head in the game. I'm going to leave it here. Until next time. Bye.